Now, 9 out of 10 children in South Africa lack access to vital mental health support. So the results in them being left vulnerable are devastating impacts of trauma, adversity, and often neglect as well. And that's according to Tanya Bailey of Waves of Change. It's a South African NPO that's focusing on providing mental health support through children. Very cleverly, though, that's why I love the name. Through surfing, Waves of Change. More on this, I'm joined by Tanya herself. She joins us from Cape Town to talk about this. W4C, Waves for Change. Tanya, morning. So how exactly does it address the specific mental health needs of children in South Africa? Where does surfing come into this?
So like many, I think what's happened is in 2010, Waves for Change was started as a non-profit with the idea, of course, of exposing kids to surf therapy, to surf for the very first time. And back then, our CEO, Tim Carnaby, had taken out 5 kids, 10 kids, and then 15 kids initially. And then he had asked them the question, why do you guys keep coming back? And then they said, because someone was listening to them, which was very important for us. Or for him back then, I'm only with him for 5 years, but was the listening, listening, being heard, especially from the communities that they had come from. Many of those kids had to be the older parent or to the other parent or the sibling or staying at home or not getting a chance to do after-school activities. At that time, we had done many activities, which included homework, soccer, netball, you name it, every after-school. Alongside surf. But then what had taken place is that we had decided to move away from everything else and help children surf solely. So that's where it established itself. And because surf is very much if I say a challenging sport, it's one that's very challenging for yourself. It's very personal.